Hello and welcome back to day 3 of our 21 Days of Energy Challenge. So my name is Rachel and welcome if you're just joining us. So you can go back to days 1 and 2 or you can just pick up right here. It's fine. What we're going to do is first I'm going to pull an oracle card from the Soul's Journey deck by James Van Praagh, and we're going to talk about today's energy, and then I'm going to do a 5-minute high energy healing session, high vibrational energy healing session, or Reiki healing session for you based on today's energy. Okay, we've already had doubt. And then, what was yesterday's? Oh my gosh, discipline. Let's figure out what today's energy is. Patience. I accept that everything happens in divine order. I'm feeling like some of us might be feeling a little antsy, and it's totally understandable. Like I've been talking about, like we have gone through some shit lately, like with the retrogrades and just the healing and the purging, and it's exhausting. And a lot of us can question, will our time ever come? Will it ever be our time to have that abundance or that love or that success or that fulfillment or that happiness or that peace? Like, when is it going to be here? And so I feel like this week, and just from the energies that I'm picking up with the cards and just in general, I feel like a lot of this week is just letting go and allowing ourselves to trust in the process. And this patience card comes up as a reminder of that. There is divine timing. So if you are wanting to know when is it going to happen for you, just know that it will happen, but it's going to happen when it is time to happen. We don't want to rush things. And I know to our egos and to our human selves, especially if it's something that you've been wanting for so long, it's defeating to hear that. I understand it. I know with my own journey, like I completely understand what that feels like. But we just have to trust, and we just have to have patience. And so I encourage you today to be present in the moment and forget about what you want just for today. It doesn't mean that if you are guided to take action, absolutely take action, but don't focus on the outcome. Just focus on what you're doing and why you love it so much. And remember, if it's not something that we really love and that brings us joy, then that's a good time to reflect on, like, okay, what are we doing and why are we actually doing this? And maybe this is a good time to make sure that you're on the right track before you get too far into it. Which I know many of us, like when we get an idea, we get excited, we just action, but sometimes we need to take a step back. So today, be present. Take a step back. Do a little reflection. Am I enjoying this moment? If I'm not, what is taking away from that joy? What is taking away from my happiness right now? Okay, so I'm going to start the energy session and just flow some energy to you for your highest and best good to allow you to be present today. To allow you to be present and patient with yourself and with everything, with others in your life, with the projects you're working on. We're giving up the need to control. We're surrendering and we're allowing. So if you have an intention that you want to set, if that's being patient with a project or a person or yourself or just letting go, I encourage you to set that intention now. Sit back, relax. I'm going to set my timer. We're gonna do the energy session, 5 minutes long, starting with connecting to your energy, doing some symbols. Just enjoy, and I'll check back in 5 minutes. energy field. Wipe off mine. Disconnect the energy. So be it and so it is. Thank you. That was a powerful energy session. Whew. I was even distracted because my dog's over here, like, licking his leg, making all this noise. But it's just the energy was very powerful. That's amazing. I hope you felt it. I know you did on some level, but I hope you're able to start experiencing. The more you do this kind of work, if you're new to it, the more you experience it, the more you see the effects of it. Okay, thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you tomorrow for day 4. Rachel here from Reiki with Rachael. All my information is below. Please like and share this. I know a lot of people can really benefit navigating these energies if we're doing it together. So if you know anybody who you think would benefit, please share this with them. Or like, comment, let me know how it's going for you. I hope you have a beautiful, beautiful day. Namaste.